Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to update Trim from the App Store or Google Play Store. Keeping your Trim app up to date ensures that you get the latest features, performance improvements, and security updates. Here's how to do it. On iPhone, all you got to do is head to the App Store on your iPhone and then tap your profile icon at the top right. Scroll down to see your pending updates, find Trim in the list, and if there's an update available, just tap Update. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon at the top right, go to Manage Apps and Device. Under Updates Available, find Trim, and then tap Update next to it. To make sure you're always on the latest version, turn on automatic updates. On iPhone, just go to Settings, App Store, App Updates, and toggle it on. For Android, go to Trim's page in the Play Store, tap the three dots, and select Enable Auto Updates. And that's it. With Trim updated, you'll always have the latest tools to manage your finances smarter. Coming up next, I'm going to show you guys how to mute specific notifications in Trim, so be sure to like, subscribe so you don't miss that video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.